I bought young turkey, so I wash, clean, and remove all the fats of it. So here's the turkey fats. So I did this way before I marinate it, so that the flavor will go inside the meat. Then what I did is I prepared the minced garlic and minced ginger. Add seasoning and the soy sauce and spread all over of the turkey. Add like 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then cover with a plastic wrap. Then marinate it for the whole night. Hi, Kaki! And now this is the next day. Wow. And this is looks like now.
Where's this pork?
My 15 years old son and my 8 years old daughter helping me to prepare our Thanksgiving dinner for tonight. I need to wrap the turkey in foil before bake it. And I'm going to add some of dill leaves to make the smells good. And baking this turkey without stuffing. Then I will wrap it all over. So I already preset the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's start to bake the turkey. Now it's all done, and you can see a lots of sauce came out from the turkey.
Wow! Yay! Awesome!
That's awesome! Wow! So hot! Wow, look at that!
We need to bake for a few minutes.
And this is so soft because I baked it for almost 3 hours.
Wow, look at that oil in here. Ooh, it's a lot.
And this is now a turkey broth. And this is what looks now. I transfer it into a dish.
It's boiling.
Where's baby?
Hold on, ate. Here you go. There, mashing them.
Then Tony want to mash them. She is my 8 years old daughter.
Mommy hold for you. And here's the butter. Okay, keep going. Can I help you with this? There is Ate. Do you want to put milk in it? Maybe a half a cup. You can pour it. And then do the same thing that what I teach you. Here. There. Like this. Again gentle. And like that. There you go.
Oh!
I'm sorry, baby. Good job. Keep going. I can see you.
Your hair is long.
Sprinkle with pepper. And let's sprinkle with salt. Ooh. You got tired? You want me to do it now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me help you. You can taste it now. Exactly.
Mashed potato done. In the wok, just add small cube of butter. Then cook the corn on it. Just cook like 2 minutes. And it's done. Transfer into a dish. This is called buttered corn. And it's done. In the same wok, just add like 2 to 3 cups of turkey broth. Here's are the beans. Let it boil, then add the beans. And cook them for about 2 minutes to make them half cooked. Then they are all cooked. Then beans are all done and put them aside. Then I'm using the broth to make gravy. This is strong flavor and tasty. Gravy done perfectly. I transferred it into a bowls. And here we go now. Thanksgiving dinner on the table. So we made mashed potato, beans, turkey, and buttered corn with gravy sauce. And there's Tony. Here's Tony and Aviel. Thank you guys for joining us for our Thanksgiving dinner. Happy Thanksgiving everyone, and thanks for watching.